What we're going to do is go through the process of unlocking the window and then tilting the sashes in order to clean them, and then putting them back in order to have your window closed up and operate properly again. First thing you do is you unlock the window. You raise the window up a couple inches, squeeze the tabs, then bring the window down until it just hangs on by itself. Bring the top sash down a couple inches, squeeze the tabs, tilt it in and rest it on top of there. You clean your window, put it back in, push it up. Take the other sash, push it in, push it down. And then sometimes what you'll find out is it wants to pull the top sash down a little bit. Take your other hand, push it up a little bit, and then lock your window. That is how you tilt your windows in and put them back.